Okay, check this out, $313, $235, even $584. This is how much money you can make every single day using this method. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to Art of Marketing blog, and it's been a while. I didn't record any videos for probably a couple of months, but now I'm back. I'll be recording tons of videos on making money online, and this video is all about affiliate marketing for beginners in 2022 without a website. Okay, so before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I've been going through YouTube and TikTok, and there's a ton of garbage information on how to do affiliate marketing. Okay, some creators have the idea that all you have to do is just go and grab your affiliate link, share it magically somehow, and you're making sales, and this is not how it works. Okay, so I'm an affiliate marketer since 2014. I made literally hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Again, this is affiliate marketing for beginners for 2022 without a website. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this method. Okay, so step number one is to go to an affiliate marketing platform and grab your link. Now, most of the videos that I've seen on YouTube and on TikTok are talking about ClickBank. Now, obviously ClickBank is great, but you have a ton of other platforms that you can use. We have clickbank.com, we have Amazon Associates, we have ShareASale, we have CJ.com, and we even have the eBay partner program. So on ClickBank, obviously you can find digital products and you can find a number of different niches. So we have arts and entertainment as seen on TV, business and investing, e-business, education. So if you're looking for a digital product and one of these niches, they have even self-help and sports and travel and home and garden. So all of these weird little niches. This is probably the best place to go. Now, if you want to become an affiliate for physical products, because physical products sell themselves. Okay, so you don't really need to convince someone to buy a plasma TV or a smartphone because they already want it. All you have to do is just make sure you are right in front of their eyes with your affiliate link. Okay, so that's why we have Amazon Associates program, and we also have partnernetwork.ebay.com. So this is for any eBay product or any Amazon product. Really, really cool. And everyone, ShareASale, you can create an account at account.shareasale.com. This is another affiliate marketing platform, and CJ.com. Now, CJ.com is probably the website you want to use if you want to become an affiliate for a big sites like Dropbox, for example, or one of these big websites that they do have an affiliate program, but you can't really find them on their website. So CJ.com, this is the place that you want to go to. Okay, so guys, for the purpose of this video, let's just go to ClickBank. Let me go to Marketplace. And in the marketplace, we have a ton of different niches or categories. So let me just go to health and fitness as an example, and we can rank these products. We can rank by rank, high to low. We can do average conversion. We can do initial sale or conversion. We can do recurring billing, or we can do gravity. So gravity is essentially a score that is higher if more affiliates are promoting it and making sales. So if 100 affiliates are making sales with a product that you're checking out, that will be a gravity score of 100. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how many affiliates are actually making sales. Now, what I like to do, I like to go with recurring, because I like to make the sale once and then get paid every single month. So this is probably something good if you want to create a passive income stream. Again, all of this is affiliate marketing without a website and for 2022. Okay, so all you have to do on ClickBank is just click on promote and generate hop links, and this will be your affiliate link. Okay, so guys, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, I showed you this whole process many times. What you should do right now is just shorten this link. So you can go to bit.ly.com, or you can go to tinyurl.com, or you can use PrettyLink if you do have your website. So just make sure this link doesn't look like this, sort of long and awkward. Make sure it looks nice and concise and short. Okay, so this is what you have to do when it comes to the affiliate platform. So most of the videos that I saw recently on TikTok and YouTube essentially focus on this part, but this is the easy part. You literally can grab your affiliate link in a matter of seconds. This is the hard part right now. Okay, so step 2 is actually sending traffic to your affiliate link, and this is the part that no one will really show you. Okay, so some TikTok videos were talking about just open a couple of social media accounts and just share your link or post twice a day. But obviously this doesn't work if you don't have any followers. So how do you actually go over the fact that you don't have any followers but you do want some eyeballs on your affiliate link? Okay, so I have 3 different ways for you to actually get eyeballs, get traffic on your affiliate link with 0 followers. Okay, so you don't need any existing social media accounts. Obviously, again, you don't need a website, but this is the way that you can actually get some eyeballs on your affiliate link, and this is something that will increase your chances of actually getting a sale. Okay, so the number 1 resource is Facebook and Facebook groups. Okay, so on Facebook you can find groups literally in any niche. So obviously we can go with health and fitness. Let me click on search and let's go with groups, and this will give you a list of groups. You literally have thousands of groups you can join. Okay, so very important, because you don't want to get banned on Facebook. Make sure to join groups that have at least a few thousand members. Obviously the more the better, and then make sure that the group actually allow posting affiliate links. Okay, so some of these groups obviously only allow no regular posts without links, so you won't be interested in these. Just find groups that will allow posting links and allow posting affiliate links. Okay, so these are the groups that you're gonna have to find. I would recommend you just go through all of the groups, check which will work for you, make a list, and every time you're gonna be sharing any links, just go back to this list and start sharing. Okay, you can share the same exact link or the same exact post dozens of times, hundreds of times if you want to. Okay, so again, Facebook groups, a great resource, and obviously it is free and you don't need a website. So this is the number 1 resource I have for you. Another resource is Quora. Okay, so Quora is a questions and answers website. So you can ask a question, you can also answer a question. So you can find questions related to the product that you're promoting. For example, if you're promoting a health and fitness product on how to lose weight, you could just go to Quora and find questions on how I can lose weight, and you can just answer this program helped me, and this is how you can get targeted traffic, because this is not just random people. These are people that actually asked a question and this specific niche and about this specific subject. So you're gonna get less clicks, but they will be really targeted, and obviously you're probably gonna get a click from the person that asked the question, but also all these people that found this question because they have a similar question, or they might have a similar problem. Okay, so just make sure to answer questions. You can also ask questions, and then as a comment under the comments that you're getting, just post your link. So Quora, again, this is something that you can do for free, and this is something that absolutely works because this is absolutely targeted. And number 3, we have Pinterest. Now check this out. So one of the videos that I saw on TikTok actually was showing you how to like get a free image, get your ClickBank link, and then just post an image to Pinterest, and hopefully you're gonna get some sales. Obviously, if you don't have any Pinterest followers and if you don't have any boards with followers, you won't be getting anywhere. You can post hundreds of these images and you're gonna be getting 0 sales. So the secret right here is to join boards that already have thousands of followers. Okay, so how you join a board of someone else? You essentially have to hit them up and ask them permission. Okay, so this is the big secret. Sometimes people will have boards with literally hundreds of thousands of followers, and if you post high quality content, they will actually allow you to post on their board. Okay, so obviously you can start your own board and you can grow it to thousands or hundreds of thousands of followers, but the fastest way of doing it is just to use other people's boards, and yes, you do have to ask their permission. So probably it is a good idea to create your profile and just post a few different posts, quality posts. Okay, so you can like copy and paste some blog article with a few cool images. So this is how you show the person that owns the board that you will be posting high quality content to their board. Okay, so guys, these are the 3 ways you can get free eyeballs, free traffic to your affiliate link. Again, it doesn't really matter which affiliate platform you're using, ClickBank or Amazon Associates or ShareASale or eBay or whatever. Make sure to do as many of these posts as you possibly can, because obviously the more eyeballs, the more traffic you're going to be generating to your affiliate link, the better. Now, that's essentially it, but before we go, I wanted to show you how you can actually make 6 figures per month using the 7-figure affiliate system. Okay, so this is being released today by my buddy Michael Cheney. If you're going to click on the first link in the description, this will take you to the sales page, and this is the sales page. So I'm not going to be going through it right now, but as you can see, he is making $126,000 per month with affiliate marketing. Okay, so he has all the strategies inside his course, and his course is currently $9.95. Okay, so you can get in for less than $10. And even if you're going to make 10% or even 1% of what he is making, it's still, you know, $1,000 or $10,000. So I wanted to show the inside of the members area right now. This is how it looks like. Okay, so you have essentially core modules. You have 8 core modules, and each one is a video, is an MP3, a transcript, slides, and you get everything that you need to start making money online from scratch. Again, affiliate marketing in 2022 without a website. So we have the riches are in the niches video, then we have where the money is and how you get it, the golden thread, secret sales triggers, win the sale by adding value, produce the perfect promo, turn on traffic. This is probably the most important video of the whole course, and secrets of a 7-figure super affiliate. So guys, make sure to pick up your copy because it will go super deep into this whole process that I just showed you in this video. So obviously I can't make like a 4-hour video, but this is what you're going to be getting with the 7-figure affiliate system. Make sure to pick it up with an early bird discount, the first link in the description. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, click on the button, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.